one is it's moving without changing the shape. Right? Let me just think because time is running out. So that's one. Oh, this one I'm going to do it multicolored because a rectangle with two colors. Because it will make it so clear. Woo. Okay. Now, think about this. When it moves, it becomes like this. It becomes like this. Okay, in here, the colors doesn't matter. In here, the colors doesn't matter, but in here, the colors matter. Yeah, because in here, you're not really sliding. Yeah, that's your, the lines, the parallel lines of sliding. This is the point of rotation. This is the parallel lines of sliding. But in here, you're not really sliding. Because if you move that, this one should be on the top. The black part should be on the top. But in here, this is definitely not sliding.
Lifting?
Lifting? What? Okay, how do you... Okay, it does that a lot. You lift it, yes. What else? Well, think about this. Yeah, because somebody said lifting. I could also lift like this. I could lift, but then I could still have the black side in here. But in this one, it doesn't. So it's more than lifting.
Wait, Edward, I can't see the different colors. Does the colors matter?
So in here, colors matter in here because the black in here, yeah, becomes in here, right? So somebody mentioned something that I didn't hear. What was it?
Flip.
Yes, you flip. You are basically flipping. Now, can you flipping understand the lesson? All of you?
Did you flipping do that as a child?
Yeah?
No.
Do you understand this flipping lesson here? Yes?
Yeah.
So,
No. You won't get it right.
so
No.
here, the example in here, it's about flipping. You're flipping the shape into this without changing the shape. And when you do that, you have a line of flipping. And the line of flipping is called reflection. So this is reflection. Right? You need to have a line of reflection. So in this instance, you cannot do, if that's your line of reflection, then this one should only be there. It cannot be here, it cannot be here. So if your line of reflection, if this is the figure here, right? And my line of reflection is in here, right? This one should be in the same distance as this one here. It should look like this. Right? It should look like this. Really important. So, it's nearly time, right? And here's what I'd like you to do to summarize everything. We have rotation, otherwise known as turning, and we need to have a point of rotation. Here we have translation, and it's basically the other word for sliding. And you have to have two parallel lines to slide the object in. In here we have reflection, and other words, it's called flipping. Yeah? and you have to have a line of reflection. And if the line of reflection is in here, it should be correspondingly observed as well. Those are the things that needs to be done. Now, homework. This is all your homework now. Using a triangle. Hello, somebody's making a noise. Okay. So now, using a triangle, I want you to rotate the triangle at 90, 180, and so 270 degrees. That's the first one. Second, using a triangle, I want you to translate it. Do translation, which means sliding. Next, using a triangle, I want you to do a reflection. Or do a flip with the rectangle and with the triangle. Right.
What's the first question?
First question is, using a triangle, I want you to rotate it at 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. Oh yes, another word for reflection is mirroring, right? Thank you. Okay. Now, to those who are messing around with the chat box, I hope you understand the activity.